All right, y'all, welcome back. Man, I just wanted to go over this 400 one more time. I had to change the carburetor out on it. We had a little carburetor leak, but man, I'm really proud of this thing. It runs good. This is our first budget build, I guess you would say. We bought it for 500 bucks. It didn't run. The plastics were there, but they were off of it. The motor was pretty much off of it. We took it down to the frame, cleaned the frame and painted it. It's dirty right now. It's kind of wet out here, and I've been riding a little bit. Man, but just overall, it was a good build. Man, it didn't take too long. It took me in all about a month from start to finish. We rebuilt the motor on it. Just a budget build, we didn't go crazy. Rebuilt the motor on it. Replaced everything it needed. Redid the bushings and the rear. Just cleaned everything up, painted everything up. Man, it's a good bike though. Good bike. She ready to go home to her new home, and I know she'll have a lot of fun street riding. But yeah, man, y'all subscribe to the channel if y'all want to see more content like this. We're gonna be doing some bike builds. This one right here is actually the next build. I didn't want to start on it. I bought it a while ago, but I didn't want to start on it until I was kind of caught up. Now I'm almost ready to dig in. We're gonna probably do another down to the frame, just budget build, not nothing too crazy. But overall, on this one, let's see, we bought it for 500 bucks. Drove to West Virginia to get it. I'm gonna say around about 200 bucks in gas and food and whatever. I've got about 10 hours in the rebuild. I sold the bike for 2,500. So, you could do the math, but I think it's pretty good profit for my 10 hours. Definitely $100 an hour plus. But man, y'all have a good one. Y'all stay tuned for the next build.